Yo, hello guys. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good and wonderful. So yeah, thank you very much for joining us today. Israel the trader speaking right here. And in today's video, we are going to do Euro USD analysis. I'm going to tell you what exactly is going to happen on Euro USD when the market opens, and also I will tell you some strategies of how we trade this Euro USD currency pairs and indices are also and indexes. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can just have a clear understanding of what exactly is going to happen on this particular pair being Euro USD, right? So yeah, first of all, I don't want to actually take much of your time. So right now, let's dive into the video, guys. So if you know how I trade, I'm a price action trader and also I'm a naked chart trader. What do I mean by that is, I trade based on market patterns, market structure, candlestick patterns, and so on and so forth. And also, I don't actually use any indicators in the market, right? So, and also if I'm doing my analysis, I like to do top-down analysis, right? So right now, this is Euro USD. So the first thing that we are supposed to do is, or that we are going to be doing is, let's go down to the daily time frame so that we can know exactly what's happening on the daily time frame and things like that. It is very, very important, right? Since now we are on the daily time frame, what are you guys supposed to be interested in? You are supposed to like zoom out completely and see the levels on this particular pair being Euro USD, right? So let's just mark out these levels, guys, and know where our support level is, where our resistance level is, and things like that, right? So these are the two major support and resistance that I just plotted on the daily time frame. So also, you guys can see that there is another level here, right? That's another level. So let's mark it out. This is another level. So let's just mark it out like this. And also I'm seeing another levels here, right? So let's just mark it out. And also on the daily time frame, guys, I just mark major support and resistance at maximum of 5. So that's maximum of 5. And I already have it right here on the daily time frame, right? So I'm going to just be interested on whatever that is happening right here on this particular pair, right? So you guys can see that the market has been making a move to the downside, right? Like this. Let me change this color so that you can understand what is going on, right? So you guys can see that the market has been making a move to the downside consistently, right? So you guys can see that it made some little bit of movement here to the upside again. So right now where the market is, it is at the support level. It is at the support level. So don't shape this thing. It is at the support level right now. So what I'm expecting is I will expect Euro USD to either start to go to the upside from where it is right now, or it will come back down to the downside. Let me just clear this. Or it will come down to this point around price 1.03707 before it will just go back up to the upside again. So let's go down to the 4-hour time frame so that we can see exactly what's happening on the 4-hour time frame as well. So you guys can see this is our major resistance zone here, and also this is our major support level here. So now what I'm seeing is, if the market is able to break out of this structure, which is around price 1.04708, definitely is going to come back down to this point for our next support level, which is around price 1.03707, which is around here. That's going to be our next support level. But if the market, excuse me guys, but if the market is not able to break out of this structure right here, definitely what I'm saying is the market will push up to the upside for a retracement from here to this point, right? As you guys can see. So the market has been making a move of lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, and things like that right here on this 4-hour time frame. So it is very, very important for you to mark all these structures out so that you can know exactly what's going on in the market. So Since we know our levels, the next thing is we are going to go back down to the 1 hour time frame, right? So let's go down to the 1 hour time frame to check out for one or two things again. Okay, let's go down to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is 1 hour time frame, guys, and if you know how to trade price action, you definitely be able to identify which type of movement is around this area, right? You guys can see that on this level, this particular rectangle line, we plotted it on the 4 hour time frame. So these green levels, they are our support and resistance levels, whereby we plotted them on the daily time frame. So now let's try to put our trend line and see exactly what is happening on this particular pair. So you can see this trend line right now kind of tells us that, okay, the market is pushing to the downside, right? You're pushing to the downside. So now you just mark this level out. Since the market is giving us this particular structure of a double top formation, right? So now what am I seeing? If you guys observe something, there's something here, there's something here, and there's something here. So this is inverted head and shoulders. So the next thing that I'm going to be expecting on Euro USD, so it's something like this. Then if the market comes down to this point, this where, let me see, like this, I'll look out for some sort of price action signals right around this area, guys. Right within this zone, I'll look out for some sort of candlestick patterns in order for me to just go long on this particular pair, right? So the target on Euro USD is going to be more than 200 pips. So let's go for this long position and see what this is going to be the next target. So you can see it's 250 pips, right? It's going to be 250 pips. And of course, there's no need for you to be greedy, guys. So risking 60 pips. Yeah, 60 pips stop loss is okay because this is the lowest point here. So your stop loss is supposed to be below the lowest point. So that's just it. You can just adjust it in order for you not to be greedy much. So to be 200 pips, let it just be here. Yeah. So 200 pips take profit, final take profit on Euro USD. So this is what I'm saying. So the next thing that you're supposed to do is you just go down to the lowest time frame, like 15 minutes or 5-minute time frame, in order for you to just check out for an entry point. So as soon as you see an opportunity to get into the market, you just, get in, calculate your risk ratio, do your risk management and things like that. Know what type of lot size to take on your account, right? Because different accounts, requires different lot size in order for you to just perform a very good risk management, right? So don't over risk your account, guys. It's very, very important for you to protect your capital. So yeah, that's my perspective on what is going to happen when the market opens on Euro USD. So let's see what is going to happen when the market opens, right? So that's it. And I wish each and every one of you guys a very good and profitable week. So I'm signing out, man.